It's 3 months since we started the treatment? Yeah, so before we go into how much better it is, how bad was it?
Oh, I didn't realise it was that bad until I listened on the app. Yeah, outrageous.
The wifey knew how bad it was.
Yeah,
What I remember, of course, that you weren't aware of it, but
no, well, I was aware
you
was like I wasn't breathing at night, but I just didn't realise there was an actual problem.
That's it. So the snoring, you weren't aware of it, but the not breathing, the fact that you're holding your breath multiple times a night.
That was it. Yeah.
Were you aware of that, or was
I was
she
aware of that a few years back.
Yeah, there we go.
Just didn't know it was a proper problem.
Try and hold your breath every hour while you're awake now. Every hour for 30 seconds to a minute. Keep repeating that and tell me how normal that feels. It's not a metaphor, it's literally suffocating while you sleep, repeatedly, for a long period of time. That ain't good for anything that's going to do in your life. For your brain, for your heart, for your hormones, for your mouth, nothing. There's no part of you that can sustain that long term. So I'm so glad that we could help you there, basically. So how's it now? Now that we've done multiple sessions of the treatment and everything
about
else.
the second session, that stopped.
Just from what you feel, does that feel like it's happening or not happening, or what is your wife telling you? So it's not the snoring, the sleep apnea.
Yeah, that's gone.
Gone.
Like I go to sleep and I don't wake up to my alarm every morning now. I haven't done that for years.
I'm for that, brother.
Weird.
You haven't done that for 8 years.
Well, for years, for a long time.
So you did wake yourself up.
All the time.
In the middle of the night, suffocating.
It was terrible.
Terrible. And your body was telling you, this is terrible, this is terrible, but you didn't know what you didn't know.
Didn't know what was going on.
Fortunately, you knew, you found a way, basically, and I'm glad that it was us and we could help you there.
Yeah.
Well done. Would you recommend this to
man.
anyone who's got any
shit? I do about 4.5 hours of driving a day in my job, and fuck, it was terrible at falling asleep. And that's all gone.
I remember that in our first consultation in the forum.
That was probably the biggest thing I first noticed.
4 hours of driving every day. And you work with some heavy equipment as well,
all that,
which is very risky to you and to other people and everybody else, like literally life-threatening. If anything goes wrong, you just doze off for. And the driving itself, you know, doze off during the drive.
And that would happen every day, the dozing off.
Well, we want you around for your kids, we want you around for your wife, and we want you around for you. Thank you for sharing it with us and for allowing us to help you, basically. So is it okay if I just took a close-up of the throat now with the video, and then anyway we'll do the photos and do the last session of the laser anyway in a second. Yeah? Is that alright?
All good.
Cool. Nice, look at that wide opening in the back of the throat there. And go ah. We'll be even wider. You are holy, my friend. Congratulations.